I'm super excited to show you how to create a stunning sublimated tumbler using my HTVRont tumbler press. This was purchased for my birthday and it was off of Amazon, and I have the one that is in white. Now it came in 3 different colors: pink, blue, and white. The materials were tape and heat protective gloves, and here is the HTVRont heat press. I used these 12-ounce A-10P sublimated cup blanks from Amazon, and they came with a plastic straw. Here I just taped up my A-sub paper and I put in my tumbler for 230 seconds, roughly for 350 degrees. I used my heat protector gloves to remove the tumbler, and also I used the A-sub paper. The colors turned out vibrant and there were no mistakes on there. And here is a finished and final look. Thanks for watching.